Guys, episode 2. I think we're gonna rip off this front fender here. A couple good dings out of her, and gonna take some of this stuff off the rear fender too. I think license plate holder, some of these fairings and stuff, and yeah, I'll take her away.
These dudes jealous, so they shooting over pride issues. In the scene in 2 hours, you was a wild pitbull. You were a staple in the game, dog. I'll miss you. Having strong enemies is a blessing. That's what you tweeted this evening, man. What a head trip. Man, I can't even believe it. It's got me restless. I heard this beat and I need to put my 2 cents in. The whole game's trying to process what just happened. I bet Pac's got a room for you in Doug's mansion. I'm only writing this as therapy, so fuck rapping. R.I.P. Ben.
So I think I would tell myself, just put way bigger goals, you know, on the wall. Just have a bigger vision, have a higher expectation.
Open the world of music.
I'm going redneck tonight. I got my horse by my side, full tank of gas in my ride. Yeah. Take a look at what the energy did to me. I was drinking Hennessy and then I had an epiphany. Got me thinking I should kill him, and I'm saying it literally. Middle fingers to my enemies, I'll give him everything I eat. I call flannel undies like a boss. I just watered all my crops. Load my truck, I'm taking off. We were riding down that dirt road on a Sunday night. Zigzags and mess me lifted like my truck. But I took my backyard to a shooting range. Who's to blame? Headshot, I got stupid aim. I won't stop till the motherfucking rooster sang. I sold my Ford and put a Hemi in my new Mustang. Yeah, I'm the real Garth Brooks. So this rap shit's a Billy Ray Cyrus. If he want it, he can have it. I got Hannah Montana and my ranch getting hammered. I'm a savage, catch me hacking up wood, doing damage. All I'm saying is I ain't going out like that. Got a feather behind my ear beneath my cowboy hat. Got a years with a deer, you can count on that. Like a steakhouse, I'm out back. Let's have a good time.
It's gonna mean without the fucking fender on it though. This big white wall. The side lights, the marker lights taped up. These fenders going on the wall of shame, though, for sure. That's the good sign. She's right accordion in there. These fucking connectors are stupid, by the way. Harley makes the most retarded fucking connector. Look at that thing. That thing's fucking wrecked too. So, you guys can see that or not. Too dark. Just testing the heat. Make sure she's gonna sizzle. I'm working on this sturdy thing. And everybody, I think we found a name. Like I think I come out a name for the project. Probably reveal it this end of this video. Stay tuned. Just testing the heat. Make sure she's gonna sizzle. Lou. Hey. What do you think, Lou? Hi. You just wanna hang out? Hi. So, and the episode for this week. Well waited for, I guess only one episode, but the name of the project. So what I've come up with, I've kind of bounced around a couple names, but I think what the best name is for what the bike is going to be, and just kind of overall, is going to be Project Slamtail, because I'd like to do the air ride in the back and possibly even in the front, but most definitely the rear, so we're going to be able to slam that fucking rear fender right onto that tire and I think it'd look fucking cool. Maybe even airbrushed, or like some kind of custom decal, maybe on hard saddles or along the tank, because I'm gonna get some respray done. So I think even maybe incorporating a Beast Coast logo and or Project Slamtail on the hard saddles would be friggin' slick. But that's enough for this week, guys. Anyway, tune in for next week.